Today we're gonna see about the demo of how to use the laser cutting machine. By the end of the session, you'll come to know the do's and don'ts of it.
Hello everyone, I'm going to show you about the physical overview and how to use this machine. So this laser cut machine basically cuts wood, glass, acrylic and plastic. So I'm going to show you about the main objects of this machine. First thing, it uses UPS, which is used to give power, and chiller, which reduces the temperature of this machine by using it, and the compressor and the blower, which take out the fumes by using this machine. And after the total setup, you have to use a key to turn it on fully. After everything is set up, finally we have to insert the key and twist it. Then we have to release the emergency stop button and we have to on the compressor. This is the cathode ray tube where the laser is generated or originated. So when the laser is generated, it travels to the front using 3 mirrors which are perpendicular to each other.
So now what we're gonna see now the design and the software part. So when we come to the software part, there are various softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and SolidWorks are many more. So we're not going to use any of these things. So the thing which is more compatible to what we have now, the AudioWorks. So right now I'm having AudioWorks on my desktop. So we're gonna start right now. You can see I have already made this so that I just don't want to mess this thing. Okay, wow. So as I said before, I'm going to overdo anything. This is a very simple thing. I'm just gonna explain all this. So what you see is the ellipse. Okay, wow. So here in the work panel, you can see the layer parameter here. So in this, the processing mode is cut. So why I specify processing mode is cut? I just need to be cut separately from the work material. So I have mentioned the processing mode here, cut, and the minimum power is 65. As the acrylic work material is quite big, I just kept this at 65 and the speed is quite low as 20. Okay, wow. This is for edits. Now coming to the Loyola icon thing. So why I specify Loyola icon? I just need to be engraved on the ellipse thing. That's totally on the required part of the desired thing. Now looking into the layer parameter of this thing, we have seen the PVC processing mode scan. So when we put the processing mode scan, we will engrave these things on the ellipse part. That is the required part, and the speed is 20, and the power is quite low as 40 because as we look for the cut, you just need to go into the work material, but you just don't need that kind of intensity for that amount of intensity for the engravings. Yeah, so I mentioned it was quite less to 40. So yeah. Now coming to the downloading and the exporting part, we'll actually export this as the XXF, ELD and AI file. So in AI file, we have a disadvantage of not mentioning the cut part. So that is quite tough in AI file. So the XXF is the most suitable and compatible file. So I'm now going to download here. Here, when you click download here, this file will be transferred to the machine. Can name it as Loyola. This will be transferred to the machine.
After downloading the file, you have to set the origin for the file. For that, for changing the X and Y directions, for X direction you can use the left and the right button, and for the Y axis, for the top and bottom button can be used. If you want to raise or lower the bed, simply press the Z button, and use the left or the right button to lower or raise the bed. In order to set the frame, you should first set the acrylic sheet. You should place it under the right wing, the pointer, it shows exactly where the laser will point to executing. And you can place it anywhere where you want to cut the acrylic sheet or any material for the course. And there should be 8mm gap between your material and the laser pointer. Next, you have to download the file. For getting the file, you have to click this file button and press enter. After pressing enter, the file will be shown here, and the speed and maximum power will be shown here. And you have to set the origin, the place where you kept your acrylic or any material sheet. You have to press the origin, click on frame. If you click on frame, it will show you the total area of the where it will cut and exactly in the acrylic material. And after setting the frame, you have to press the start button to start the laser cutting.